Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to be doing some work on this retaining wall to the left. That's the kitchen side there. We're now kind of in what's going to be the living room. So we've got another course of these blocks to go on. We've got to put some reinforcing in. We've just got to get this tied in to this main beam and this intersection here. We've got a nice strong beam in there now, post, keep saying beam, holding the beam up. That's not going nowhere now, which is great. So we're going to get a mix going once again, and then we'll get this all nicely filled up. Nice and solid. This second course is going to be stepped back. The wall does taper out quite a lot. No point in losing so much volume behind there. It brings us nicely flush on this side of the room with the post as well. You can put a little shelf on there, just create a bit of a feature of it. Oh, it's nice to be in the relative coolness of this cottage. Let's see whether this light will help. How's that? Yeah, it's not too bad. That way we've got a nice thick, it's probably about 3 or 4 inches thick of insulation. This line acts as an insulator as well. There we go. Because it's so dry, which is a good sign, just want to give it a wet down. Not too much. Okay, before I get another mix going, I'm going to have a cup of tea because it's quite warm, sit down and check in on those cats. These days life moves fast. Sometimes it's nice to slow down and take care of the little things, whether that's cutting the grass or simply enjoying a cup of tea. It's all about peace of mind. We also need peace of mind when we're online. That's why I use NordVPN, who are kindly sponsoring today's video. NordVPN protects you from hackers and data trackers. With just one click, it hides your location and encrypts your internet connection. NordVPN uses the same encryption technology used by banks, governments and militaries. In fact, it would take a supercomputer 14 billion years to crack the encryption. So once you're connected to the VPN, your personal data is safe and private. Say you were visiting a city like Paris or Rome. You'd be on high alert for pickpockets attempting to steal your belongings. Often it's only after the fact that you realise something valuable like your phone or your wallet is missing, long before you've even noticed. The same risks exist online. Cyber criminals can steal your personal data, ID or credit card information without you knowing. Unlike a stolen wallet, you may never realise what has been taken. That's why in today's online world it's smart to protect yourself with NordVPN. You can get 4 months free on a 2-year plan by using my special link, nordvpn.com/SeanWeld. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in giving it a go. That's nordvpn.com/SeanWeld. Link in the description. Right, let's get back to business. Filling this section in, it's simply a case of inserting something like that down. We're gradually getting closer to the fitting of that huge heavy granite sink. It's going to sit on those 2 piers there. I've just got this void behind here to fill up with some more limecrete. And we've got the voids of the blocks. They'll be topped up with some more lime. Then we've got the blocks going on there for the second course. We're not actually that far away now. We're getting all the hard construction work done. Come on, out you go, fella. And away. Have a little walk across to the vegetable garden, just to make sure nothing's wilting, including myself, in this heat. It's not too bad now, not as bad as it's been. Planted some haricot verts, yep, they're all coming up brilliantly. That's coming along nicely. Yeah, it's all looking pretty good. We've got little tiny cucumbers here. They're the haricot verts, yep. We've got our butternut squashes. Sam planted these. Wow, yep. We've got a courgette ready, 1 or 2. There are the haricot verts, Romanesco, that's a butternut. Right, let's get back to that mix. There's something very satisfying with doing this, kind of agitating it. You know it's going in all the places it needs to be. Next job is to start filling these voids up. And I'd also like to welcome James to my Patreon. He's become a gold member. Thank you, James, much appreciated. And everyone else that's joined me on Patreon. Okay, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.